Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. It's about 3:30, actually almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon with a quick update. Beautiful day today. As expected, no problems for this evening. Dry weather will continue, but we do have that much advertised rain on the way for Thursday. Take a look at pictures in Providence. The camera kind of shaking a little bit in the breeze, but blue skies, low humidity, and comfortable temperatures now in the mid to upper 70s. Look at the high temperatures so far today. Again, topping out between roughly 74 and 78 degrees, even the lower 70s today along the South Shore. Threat tracker now through the overnight looking fine. We bump it up to yellow on Thursday. Not that we're expecting any extreme or severe weather, but this is more of a heads up as far as travel. So showers are likely at times, some heavy downpours, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. 1 to 2 inches of rain, so the potential is there for some minor street flooding. So yeah, that's not a great travel day, being on the road. So some reduced visibility, some reduced travel speeds, maybe some minor street flooding. So that's the reason for the kind of the low-key alert here to give travelers a heads up. And considering we had heavy rain just yesterday, we'll keep an eye on local rivers and streams. So we're not expecting any big problems at this point. Weather on Friday looking good. Satellite photo showing the clear weather, clear skies overhead, some thin clouds offshore. Widen out the view a little bit, and all of New England is nice and dry courtesy of high pressure. So take a look at our next weather makers. Really two areas of moisture. You see those circles right there. Upper Midwest and the Great Lakes and through the Southeast. Both of these systems will merge over the Mid-Atlantic and arrive here mid-morning Thursday through about mid-afternoon Thursday. I'm thinking the heaviest of the rain is roughly from about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning till about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when the best chance for downpours are. And then things will be drying out tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Let's get in. Well, first of all, you see both of those areas of moisture converging right over New England. In fact, here we are noontime on Thursday, and you see some of the elements of darker green and yellow indicating at times some occasional downpours. So we'll walk you through it hour by hour. Starting off this evening, which is just beautiful, and then overnight tonight, increasing clouds. The leading edge of initially just kind of light rain just hitting the South Shore at around 7 a.m. I think we get through a majority of the commute without any real heavy rain, but the commute will be wet. So do expect wet roads and slower travel. Now watch how the radar really starts to light up sometime after 9 o'clock in the morning. So the heaviest rain is from roughly 9 a.m. through early afternoon. This yellow and orange indicating some downpours. By 2 o'clock, notice the bulk of at least the heavy rain is starting to push offshore, but still showers will linger into the late afternoon and early evening, just not as widespread or as heavy. Also, tomorrow's a cool day. I mean, the best we can do for high temps is probably upper 60s. How much rain? Well, some of our computer guidance is indicating an inch or two. Now, this is 9 o'clock in the morning. Notice by 9 a.m., the heavy rain is already starting to collect in places like Westerly, a half inch, but most of our area at that point, only about a quarter of an inch of rain up until 9 a.m., but watch how it really ramps up after 9 o'clock through early afternoon. So we're looking somewhere between 1 and 2 inches of rain. So that's a lot of rain over a short period of time, and the reason why there may be some minor localized street flooding. So beautiful right now, nice weather tonight, and then that rain arrives on Thursday. We'll talk about it in more detail. My forecast coming up on Eyewitness News starting at 5 p.m., 5:30, 6 o'clock news, the 6:30 news, and then we do it all over again at 10 o'clock news and the 11 o'clock, and certainly check in with Michelle bright and early on Thursday morning starting at 4:30 a.m. So that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.